Viral TikTok trick for 2024. I got 11 million views in 7 days. I got 54 million views in 28 days. And in 60 days, I got 114 million views. So how did I get 114 million views in 2 months? Watch to the end, right? So how are you going to get these views on your TikTok? This is my TikTok account. So what you're going to do, you're going to have a strategy, right? You're going to use this strategy. This is a strategy. So with this strategy, you're going to start making long form content, because TikTok is prioritizing long form content. What is long form content on TikTok? Long form content is the one that is 1 minute and above. So that means that your videos have to be at least from 1 minute to 5 minutes. These are very easy videos to do, between 1 minute to 5 minutes. So let's say that this is your video 0 and this is 2 minutes. Let's say you're doing a 2-minute video. What you're going to do, you're going to start with a hook, right? Always start with a hook and in the first 1 to 4 seconds of the video. So when you start with a hook, you're going to now give value in the middle, and you're going to end with a CTA. This CTA is going to help you to make money. How are you going to make money with the CTA? By driving traffic, right? What is the CTA going to help you to? It is also going to help you to grow your followers. It is going to help you to have more shares. It is going to help you to this CTA is going to help you to, I think these are the most important. It's going to help you to make money through driving traffic to different offers, and also to have to grow your followers, have shares, and more. So if you want to make money on TikTok, all you need to do is to check my 4 step-by-step tutorials.